everyone, welcome to CruzieTV. I'm Erica, and if you're new, welcome. Today I have a DIY on Easter eggs that are going to be filled with candy. It's super easy to make and it's fun. Let's get started. For this tutorial, you're going to need white vinegar, water, half a cup for measuring the water, a tablespoon for measuring the vinegar, eggs, something to hold your eggs with. A glue gun is optional in case you don't want to use a glue stick. You're going to need tissue paper of any color, 3 plastic cups, a small bowl, food coloring, small candy, a toothpick, a plastic spoon, a glue stick if you don't want the glue gun, and stickers, letter stickers and circle stickers. The first thing I'm going to do is hit the egg against the table, and then I'm going to use a toothpick to start poking a hole at the top. Unlike my jello filled eggs in which we needed a smaller opening, this one, try to make it big enough for small candy to fit inside, or else you're going to struggle with it or you might even break it. So once you have that, just dump the egg white and the egg yolk in the small bowl, and you're going to do the same thing for all of your eggs, and make sure to really wash it so you don't have anything left over. And for this tutorial I did 9 eggs. So now you're going to fill all 3 cups with half a cup of water and 3 tablespoons of white vinegar in each of the cups. For the food coloring, they have neon and regular, but I'm going to be using neon for today's tutorial. So now I'm going to place 20 drops of food coloring in each of the cups. I'm using blue, red, and green for today's eggs. So now I'm going to take 1 egg and place that in the cup with the blue dye, and I'm going to use my plastic spoon to help me push it down so that all of the egg is completely covered with the dye. So do that as best as you can. And I'm going to do that with the other egg and then in the red cup, and I'm going to do that with the green. Now I have 9 eggs, so I'm going to do 3 eggs with this same style, and then I'm going to do the other 2 sets with like a different design that I'll show you later. So now I'm setting my timer for 3 minutes and wait for it to be done. Once it's done, I'm going to take the plastic spoon and I'm going to use that to take the egg out. I'm going to dump out all the water that's inside, and now I'm going to kind of dry it or pat it with a paper towel just to get the liquid off of it and so it can dry better. So for the next set of eggs, I'm going to use these binder hole reinforcement stickers, and I'm going to place it all around the egg so it'll give it this really nice effect to it. Once you have all of these stickers around the egg, just submerge it in the water like I showed you before, and do that for the blue, the red, and the green. So after the 3 minutes were up, I just went ahead and took out the egg, dumped out the water that's inside, and once again I'm going to use that paper towel to kind of pat it down. Once it was dry enough, I went ahead and took off the stickers. But if you notice, the water did kind of bleed through, but that's perfectly fine because that's actually what's going to give it the flowery effect. So as you can see here, it looks like little flowers instead of actual circles. So I went ahead and I flipped over all of the eggs because I realized there was some water inside and it wasn't letting it dry fast enough. For the third and last design, I'm going to get the letter stickers and I'm going to put little words on the 3 eggs. One of them was cute, bunny, and hop. And again, I'm going to wait 3 minutes and then check on them. I took off the sticker. You see cute, but it's kind of like a stencil since the stickers were covering the die. Now, the one that was supposed to say hop didn't work because the stickers fell off while they were soaking. So all you can do here is take the stickers and put it over where it was supposed to be. And it turns out that I actually like this better. The contrast of the black letters and the dye makes the words stand out, so I really liked it actually. So here's a comparison of both, and I did end up changing the bunny one to have the black stickers on it. Like I said, I like this better, and you can just choose whichever one you like. Now it's time to fill our Easter eggs with candy. So I'm gonna grab these small candies and fill each Easter egg with as many as possible. It would be better if you had the jumbo eggs because it holds more candy, but this will work too. Whichever one is fine. Now it's time to cover the eggs so none of the candy falls out. I'm going to take this tissue paper and I'm going to fold it to create 3 sections so it'll be faster to do. I'm going to start to cut a circle big enough to cover the opening at the top, but it's fine if you feel like it's too big because it's going to fold over and it's going to kind of shrink a little. To glue the tissue paper, you can use either the glue gun or the glue stick, but I find that the glue stick is faster and easier to do. So just put enough glue to cover the tissue paper. Once you have that, it's going to be really easy to cover the egg. Since it's so thin, it easily folds over. So if you followed all of these steps, you have yourself really cute candy-filled Easter eggs that are perfect for anybody to enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was fun and easy to make, and the whole family can get involved too. Easter is a couple of days away, so this would be the perfect thing to create. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you make some too. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!